You tape myself. Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Johnny Knoxville. This is Bam Jaron. We're going to sneak on my parents, and we're in Punta Norte. I think we are. I don't know where we are anymore. Come on, cross. Okay, we'll just go this way.
Oh, they're talking.
Cross, come over.
Wait.
Oh wait, dude, I said bad words in the rest of this. We'll cut it at the end.
Yeah.
Oh crap, that hurted.
You okay, Johnny?
Yeah, that just really hurted.
Wait.
We're gonna go over there.
Wait, get over here. He's looking.
Come on, Bam.
We're on a run for it.
I can't tell how much that hurted. Hey, where'd they go?
They're on the corner. Hold this.
Do these because they make more noises. They went up there. I don't see them down there.
It's already 2 minutes. Hold it. 3 minutes. Damn.
Dead frog.
Dead frog. Oh well.
That was a dead frog, guys. That was a dead frog. That was a dead frog, guys. That was a dead frog.
Right here. Wait.
Yeah, the dogs.
Damn. They bark in here.
We should run back. Yeah, we should run.
Run for it. Back up.
Find you.
Grab Ollie. Should I stop it? Should I stop it?
No, not yet. Stupid dogs. We were covered.
Chris actually looked like right at us, but he's like, oh, who's that?
He knew it was us.
I didn't.
He saw the iPad.
Ow, I'm like this.
Yeah, I
Right
can see that
behind
too.
you.
Yeah, he can tell this. You see in my face and my glasses. And my nose.
I just farted, everybody.
Maybe we should rate some because
Yeah.
only the part. There's not really any funny parts. I just like the beginning when I said Johnny Knoxville. Bama Jaren.
Should I stop it now?
Yeah, what the heck? Just turn it.